to our next card, which will be the Ramp corporate card. At a glance, this is a corporate charge card that does not have an annual fee, earns 1.5% cash back, net 30 terms, and has a robust expense management platform where you can track your spending. These expense management platforms are extremely popular amongst the startup community. It allows you to have complete control of how you and your team spends money. It's been reported with Ramp Partner Rewards, you can save up to $175,000. While I do not think that it is likely to save that much, but I would think that you would save a few hundred, if not thousands of dollars by using any of their partners. For example, you can save on Amazon Web Services, Google Ads, and many other business integrations. Now, the qualifications to get approved with Ramp is that there are no credit checks or personal guarantees, but they only extend business credit lines to companies that are incorporated in your state. This means LLCs, partnerships, and corporations. So if you are a sole prop, you would not qualify. Their target audience is a little bit different since they do require businesses to have at least $75,000 in their bank account, but $250,000 is preferred to get approved.